If your foundation looks patchy, it's probably not the foundation. More than likely, it's how your skin is prepped and how the foundation's going on. I'm going to show you the 3 most common reasons for this and how to fix them. The biggest reason foundation looks patchy on mature skin is because the skin is dehydrated. When skin doesn't have enough hydration, foundation doesn't go on evenly. Some areas will absorb foundation faster and other areas won't, and that's what causes the patchiness. That does not mean we need complicated skincare. It just means that your skin needs hydration before foundation. When you prep your skin this way, the foundation goes on smoother and it doesn't grab in certain areas and then separate. I put this on and then I let it sit for a minute. Let's just give that a minute to dry. Because if you rush this step, that's where foundation is going to show every little issue. The second reason foundation looks patchy is how it's applied. Dragging foundation across mature skin can pull on the texture and leave uneven spots. Brushes aren't bad. I use them and love them, but you can't stop there. They're mostly just moving the foundation around. When you use a damp beauty blender and you press the foundation in, it helps it sit better on the skin without lifting it off. So I use a brush to put it on and then a sponge to finish it. You see how it's very streaky on my nose from the brush? Now see the difference? Using a beauty blender pushes it into the skin and gives you a more seamless finish. This pressing step makes a huge difference. The third reason that foundation looks patchy is just using too much too quickly. If you pile it all on at once, it's just going to sit there. I like to put a little foundation on, let it sit there for a moment, using the beauty blender is also going to absorb excess makeup and give it that beautiful finish. Thin layers are always going to look better on mature skin. So if your foundation keeps looking patchy, don't assume it's the foundation that's the problem. Look at your prep, look at how you're applying it. Try using a little less. And when you fix those 3 things, foundation looks completely different. I've linked what I used below. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.